Dear students, today we will be solving the sums of exercise 8.1 of the lesson Differential Equations and Applications. Question number 1. Determine the order and degree of the following differential equations. Differential equations are given. First one, d square x by dt square plus dx by dt the whole square plus 8 is equal to 0. We write the order first. Order means the order of the highest derivative occur in the equation. Here d square x by dt square is the highest derivative and its order, that is 2. That is the number of times, maximum number of times the function is differentiated. That is 2 times it is differentiated. So the order is 2. And the degree is degree of this highest derivative. Here the degree of this derivative is 1. So degree of the differential equation is 1. Here the highest derivative is d square y by dx square, that is 2 is the order and its degree 2 is the degree of the differential equation. And the third one, d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 plus 1 plus dy by dx the whole square raised to 3 is equal to 0 is the differential equation. Here the highest derivative is d raised to 4 by dx raised to 4. So 4 is the order of the equation and its degree 1. 1 is the degree of the equation. Next one, y triple dash, that means third order derivative, whole square plus 2 into y double dash whole square plus 6 into y dash plus 7y is equal to 0. And the highest derivative is y triple dash, that means 3 times it is differentiated. So 3 is the order of the equation and its degree, that is 2, is the degree of the equation. Now fifth one, square root of 1 plus 1 upon dy by dx the whole square is equal to dy by dx whole raised to 3 upon 2. Now here on both sides, left hand side the square root occurs and the right hand side the fractional power occurs. So we have to remove both of these from this. So we will square on both sides. Then the equation will become 1 plus 1 upon dy by dx the whole square is equal to dy by dx the whole cube. Now we will remove this denominator derivative in the denominator by cross multiplying. That is 1 into dy by dx the whole square plus 1 upon dy by dx the whole square. So dy by dx the whole square plus 1 and the denominator part we will remove to the right hand side. Then it will become dy by dx the whole raised to 5. Now there is no fractional or square root exponent. Fractional exponent and square root. So we will consider this as the differential equation and the highest derivative occur here is dy by dx. So its order is 1 and its degree, highest degree is 5. So degree 5 is the degree of the equation. Fifth one, dy by dx is equal to 7 into d square y by dx square. Here the direct one. And the second derivative is the highest derivative. So its order is 2 and its degree is 1. So degree 1 is the degree of the differential equation. Now seventh one, d cube y by dx cube whole raised to 1 upon 6 is equal to 9. Here the left hand side contains the fractional index. So we have to remove this by taking the sixth power on both sides. So d cube y by dx cube is equal to 9 raised to 6. And the highest derivative is d cube y by dx cube. So the order is 3 and its degree is 1. So 1 is the degree of the equation. Question number 2. In each of the following examples, verify that the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. Here the solution is given xy is equal to log y plus k and the differential equation is y dash into 1 minus xy is equal to y square. Here the order of this differential equation is 1, that is y dash is the highest derivative, highest order derivative. So we will differentiate this function only once. So for left hand side we will apply the product rule, that is UV rule for differentiating, because x into y, that is the product of two functions. So first one, u into derivative of v, that is x into derivative of y with respect to x plus y into derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1, which is equal to derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, and derivative of k is 0. Now x into y, here 1 by y is there in the right hand side, so we multiply throughout by y. So x into y dy by dx plus y square is equal to dy by dx. Now we will collect the terms containing dy by dx together, that is xy into dy by dx minus dy by dx. So dy by dx into 1 minus xy, which is equal to y square, and 1 minus xy into dy by dx is equal to y square, means y dy by dx is y dash into 1 minus xy is equal to y square. So this is the given differential equation. So we say that given function is a solution of the given differential equation. Second question of question number 2. Given solution or the function is y is equal to x raised to n, and the differential equation given is x square into d square y by dx square minus n into x into dy by dx plus n into y is equal to 0. So we will differentiate the number of times, that is the highest order here is 2. So we have to differentiate 2 times. So we will differentiate the given function first. Y is equal to x raised to n. Then on differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. This is the general form, standard form of the function. So n into x raised to n minus 1. We will differentiate it again. Then left hand side is d square y by dx square is equal to n into, again x raised to n minus 1 we will differentiate. So n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2. Now we will consider the LHS of the given differential equation, that is x square into d square y by dx square minus nx into dy by dx plus n into y. Then the right hand side will become n into n minus 1, that is x square into d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is n into n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2. So n into n minus 1 into x square is multiplied with this d square y by dx square. So n into x square into n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2 minus n into x dy by dx. So right hand side will be n into x into dy by dx is nx raised to n minus 1. So n into x raised to n minus 1 plus n into y is x raised to n. Now we will simplify it. N into n minus 1 into x square into x raised to n minus 2 is x raised to n minus n square into x raised to 1 into x raised to n minus 1 is x raised to n plus n into x raised to n. Here x raised to n is common. So n into n minus 1 minus n square plus n into x raised to n. And here after simplification we will get the bracket part as 0. Because n into n minus 1 is n square minus n, and n square minus n square 0, n minus n plus n also 0. So we are getting the right hand side as 0. So the given solution or the function is the solution of given differential equation. Fifth one of question number 2. Given function is y is equal to a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x, and the differential equation is d square y by dx square is equal to 1. Now we consider the given function. Here the second degree differential equation is given, so the second order differential equation is given, so we will differentiate the given function 2 times. So given function, first we will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to a into derivative of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x itself, plus b into derivative of e raised to minus x with respect to x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. So that minus 1 is taken here. Now again we will differentiate this. So d square y by dx square is equal to a into e raised to x itself minus b into e raised to minus x into minus 1. So that minus 1 will be plus here. So a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x. So d square y by dx square is equal to y. That is a into e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x is y given function. So it is equal to y. So this is the given differential equation, means the given function is the solution of the given differential equation. Sixth one of question number 2. Solution is or the given function is ax square plus by square is equal to 5, and the differential equation is xy into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx the whole square is equal to y into dy by dx. Now this is little lengthy one, and given function will write here, and see the maximum order is 2. So we differentiate the function 2 times. So first we will differentiate ax square. So the derivative is 2 into ax, 2ax plus b into derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. So 2by into dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant 0. Again we will differentiate this. So 2a into derivative of x is 1 with respect to x plus 2b into derivative of y into dy by dx. So we will differentiate it using product rule. So first 2b into dy by dx into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. So both dy by dx make it whole square plus 2by into derivative of dy by dx, again with respect to then it is square second order derivative, which is equal to 0. Now from this first equation 2ax plus 2by dy by dx is equal to 0, we will form the substitution for a. So 2ax is equal to, first you will take the second term to the RHS, then it will be minus 2by dy by dx. Then you can cancel 2 from both sides, and the equation will become minus by x. X is to be taken to the RHS. Then minus by x into dy by dx. Then we will substitute this value of a in equation number 2. Then equation number 2 will become minus 2 into by x into dy by dx plus 2b into dy by dx the whole square plus 2by into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Now 2b can be cancelled from h, that is 2b is common in all these terms and taken out and divided both sides. Then 2b is cancelled. So the equation will become minus y by x into dy by dx plus dy by dx the whole square plus y into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So minus y, and again x is there in the denominator, so we will multiply throughout by x. Then it is minus y into dy by dx plus x into dy by dx the whole square plus xy into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Now xy first term will write, that is highest derivative we will write first, plus dy by dx the whole square, and minus y into dy by dx is taken to the RHS. This is the required differential equation. So the given function is the solution of the given differential equation. This much is exercise 8.1. Next part will be explained in the next video. Thank you.